Today I am reviewing the Lenovo LOQ Essential gaming laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Intel Core i5-12450HX processor is a big reason why this machine feels so responsive in real use. HX series chips are closer to desktop-class performance than typical laptop CPUs, and you can feel that extra headroom immediately. Multitasking feels effortless, whether it's running a browser full of tabs, an IDE, and background apps, or jumping straight into a game, without closing everything else first. It doesn't just benchmark well on paper. It genuinely feels fast and stable over long sessions, which matters more than short bursts of performance. Gaming is where the Lenovo LOQ Essential really earns its name. The RTX 4050 paired with NVIDIA's Ada Lovelace architecture delivers a level of smoothness that feels almost unfair for a laptop in this category. Modern games run comfortably at high settings, and DLSS 3 makes a noticeable difference in both frame rates and visual consistency. What stood out to me was not just raw FPS, but how stable the performance remained during extended gameplay. There's no sudden throttling or dramatic drops that pull you out of the experience, which is something cheaper gaming laptops often struggle with. The display deserves special mention because it significantly elevates the overall experience. The 15.6-inch Full HD IPS panel with a 144Hz refresh rate feels fluid in motion and sharp in detail. Whether you're gaming, scrolling through code, or watching content, the screen consistently looks clean and vibrant. The 100% sRGB coverage and solid brightness make colors pop without looking oversaturated, and it's good enough for light creative work like photo editing or design tasks. For a student who also games, this screen hits a very satisfying middle ground. Thermals are another area where Lenovo clearly put in real effort. The large 100mm fan and well-designed airflow system keep temperatures under control even during demanding sessions. The laptop does get warm, as any powerful gaming machine will, but it never feels alarming or uncomfortable. More importantly, the cooling system works quietly enough during everyday tasks that it doesn't constantly remind you that you are using a gaming laptop. Under load, the fan noise is present but controlled, and it feels like a fair trade for sustained performance. The keyboard is one of those details you only appreciate after extended use. With 1.3mm key travel and a solid, tactile response, it's comfortable for both long typing sessions and fast-paced gaming. There's a reassuring consistency to each key press, which makes writing assignments or gaming late into the night feel natural rather than fatiguing. It's not flashy, but it's reliable, and that matters more in daily use. Design-wise, the Luna Gray finish keeps things clean and understated. This is a gaming laptop that doesn't scream for attention, which makes it much easier to carry into classrooms or libraries without feeling out of place. It's portable enough to move around campus comfortably, yet still feels sturdy and well-built. The overall construction gives confidence that it can handle daily travel and regular use without feeling fragile. Battery life is always a tricky subject with gaming laptops, and the Lenovo LOQ Essential is realistic about its priorities. You won't be gaming unplugged for hours, but for everyday tasks like browsing, note-taking, or watching videos, it holds up well enough to get through a decent chunk of the day. Rapid charging helps a lot here, making it easier to top up quickly between classes or sessions. The inclusion of 3 months of PC Game Pass is a genuinely useful bonus rather than a marketing gimmick. It gives immediate access to a wide library of games and lets new users really test what the hardware can do without spending extra money upfront. Overall, the Lenovo LOQ Essential feels thoughtfully engineered rather than aggressively marketed. It delivers strong, consistent gaming performance, a high-quality display, effective cooling, and a design that works just as well in a classroom as it does in a dorm room. It doesn't try to be everything for everyone, but for students and gamers who want reliable power, modern features, and a laptop that fits into real life, it makes a very convincing case.